guys, it's Lindsay from the Creative Arrow, and I have a fun activity for us today, and it is how to make pumpkins using basic shapes. So I'm only going to use a micron pen, a pencil, and an eraser for this. So it's very low supply. You don't need a lot of things with you, and it's going to be really, really cute, fun, and simple. So we're going to start with these 4 basic shapes. I'm going to show you exactly how to take each one and turn it into a pumpkin using ellipses or long ovals. And after that, I'm going to show you how I combine each one into a cute little spread or a little like spot that you can put in your art journals. So this is perfect for fall. It's perfect for everything pumpkin, and I can't wait to show you. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna get started. Again, all you need for this activity is an eraser if you choose, some sort of pencil. I have a drawing pencil here by Faber-Castell. It's an HB, so it's nice and light. And then some sort of pen. I'm gonna use a micron pen again. This is an 08, so it's a little bit on the thicker side. And that's all you need to get started. So let's flip to my handy dandy page here. So we're going to be doing, like I said, pumpkins from basic shapes. This is going to be my series that I like to call my square family. So I'm going to start up here with these horizontal rectangle. For these shapes, we are going to lightly draw them out in pencil. So I'm going to get a nice rectangle here. You can notice that I'm not drawing my lines all at the same time, and I'm not worried about whether they are messy or sketchy or whatever. I'm just getting something very lightly on there. Now I'm going to go in with my pen. If you feel more comfortable doing this with the pencil, you can still do this with a pencil. I'm just going to go straight in with the pen and kind of get this going. So we are going to start from the middle and then work our way out to each side. And I'm doing long ellipses or ovals, depending on, what you kind of think of for that shape. So starting with the first one in the middle, and then as I'm working towards the edges, I'm making sure that I'm stopping and starting along my top edges and my bottom edges. So this is one side, this is my other side. We're going to end up with a rectangular pumpkin. Last step, give him a cute little stem, and he's done. If you really want to go back through, you can go over your lines again, or if you want to add a little bit of shading, you could add some shading along the bottom. But here you have it. Your rectangle pumpkin. So this is the horizontal rectangle one. Now I'm going to do a vertical rectangle one. So again, starting with our basic rectangle shape here. I'm going to make it just a little bit fatter. And again, going with my micron pen, starting with the one in the middle. Make sure it touches the top and the bottom and connects. And here we go. One side. This is going to have a couple of less ellipses here. A little bit more ellipses on that side. And again, he is done. Perfect, cute, adorable. I'm happy with that one. All right, now we're going to go to our square one. I like this guy because he ends up being pretty cute. Again, these are just basic shapes, and I like to kind of use them as a guide so that not all of my pumpkins end up looking the exact same, because nobody wants perfect pumpkins that are all the exact same. So starting with my square one, long ellipse in the middle, and my rounded ones on the sides, starting and stopping on the edges. Notice how I'm not worried about whether each one of these is the exact same length. I think I'm just gonna give him kind of a top one like this. shapes. There we go. A cute little square one. We love him. Yay. All right, last one I'm doing in my square series is this trapezoid. And I'm going to let you know that he is so cute and maybe even be my favorite, I'm not sure. But we really love going with a little bit more of a unique shape here. So sketched it out first in pencil, going in with my micron pen. Now, as I do this one, I do kind of end up angling after I get to the edges. So first one in the middle, starting straight up and down, keeping it pretty even. As I'm working my way out, I'm gonna kind of start making the top skinnier and the bottom fatter and wider. And I will show you why in the end, because you are going to see this shape really kind of come to life. And it's pretty cute. Alrighty. Give him a short little stubby one. But see, isn't that cute how he angles? So fun. So here you have it. These are 4 basic shapes that you can use to elevate your pumpkins and turn them into something a little new, a little fun. And you're done.